Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to convert dogs to USDT on your Bitget. It's pretty simple. So open up your Bitget right here and you'll be shown the interface of your home page. Next, to convert your dogs to USDT, it's pretty simple. You'll have to go to your trade tab right here and go to spot trading. So there's no actual way to convert it unlike Binance where you have this convert option, but here you can do it by doing spot trading. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is search up dogs USDT pair right here, and you're gonna be able to convert your dogs to USDT on your Bitget. So just fill in the market price. So it's gonna be market, of course. Don't forget to place in market, not in limit. And then here, the total USDT that you want to sell or the total dogs that you want to sell. It's gonna be depending. So there, if you want to sell your dogs right here, you want to sell dogs to USDT, you can do so. So here, enter the quantity of dogs right here. So let's just say you have 100,000, and then you can even use the slider right here, depending on the amount you have on your portfolio. And then from there, you want to sell dogs right here. You want to adjust your slippage, of course, and it depends of the liquidity on the market. If it's very liquid, you want to have a high slippage fee. But if it's not, just set it to 1% as much as possible. And there's also slippage tolerance if you have to. From there, all you have to do is sell your dogs. And then here, in the orders, it will show where if it's already pushed through or not. And then from there, you will see it in your assets that's been converted to USDT. And it's just that simple.